pangit-pangit ni Joven. Itlog niya parang Jolen. Pakboy shot to the highest. Ang utak niya parang Provency.
Hello guys and welcome
What's up,
back.
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back to Kalokohan Archives. It's me, Chino, MJ, and Justin. Spectre na naman po tayo.
Guys, serious to. Per map, tatapusin natin hard mode.
Alright. Gusto mo
Okay.
insane?
We'll try. No, we don't have...
Okay, 3 games po tayo ngayon. Tatapusin po namin lahat ng small maps. Okay? Last video, tinapos po natin yung family home. Ngayon, tatapusin po natin yung luxury home. Okay?
Ay! Ay! Dalawa yung flashlight. Wait! Dalawa yung flashlight ko. Ayan.
Wow. Huwag mo na. You mother... Wala pa ata si MJ.
Ah!
MJ's... What?
Wala si MJ kung
How is MJ moving? He's not even the camera.
Umalis na sa upuan niya. Tignan mo naman kasi yung cold, bobo.
I know. How is he moving? Without that...
Putang.
He's moving.
Ganun talaga pag pag di ka gumagalaw, mag-move talaga ng mag-isa.
They, like, bro, he just moved here.
Oh.
To here.
Ayun, andyan na siya.
Look!
Uy! Di nyo ko yung camera feed.
Wait.
Ako na lang.
MJ, get the...
Andyan, ikaw sa camera, di ba?
Alright, guys.
Note lang po, masanay na po kayo sa dark room since yung mga kalaban po namin mga ghost, lagi po nila ina-off yung mga lights. Okay? Thank you.
MJ, come here.
Wow. We just went in.
Do you have a flashlight na? MJ, oh my god, I'm gonna give you the camera.
Don't.
I have the camera. Anywhere.
I already found it. Negative 4 degrees here.
Saan?
Teka, nasa yung EMF.
Here.
Nasa yung EMF.
Here, dumbass.
Dito tayo. Ano EMF?
2.
Okay. Secured.
Close the light. Okay.
No orb as of right now.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll find...
Wow, where's
Right, look for fingerprints.
Alright,
How do I get off the camera? Oh, there.
F. Okay.
He's here! Luis!
Yeah.
Crucifix! I'm
Okay.
dead. Crucifix!
Shh.
Luis!
Wait.
If he comes near, he's good.
Wait, no, that's MJ.
Wow! Nandito siya sa pinto, sa labas. Nasa labas ako eh. Nakikita ko siya nagano sa...
Ay! Na-spawn trap siya, gagi.
Nandito siya kanina, dyan kung saan kayo kanina. Hindi, kung saan ako, nandyan siya sa pinto kanina.
Can someone flashlight mo the notes? Tingnan natin kung nag-note siya.
Oh, fingerprints.
Could you like flashlight this room?
Is there fingerprints?
Yeah.
Alright, there.
Door.
Flashlight the notebook. Maybe it took notes.
Where are you guys? Oh, there.
Flashlight this. Flashlight the notebook.
Wala siya.
Hindi, wala.
I'll place it.
Yep, he's back.
No, just don't move. Don't move.
Don't move! Imagine if he comes from the other doors. Crazy.
Yeah, he's gone. What? He's here?
There.
Matawag
Ah? No, nag-trigger talaga yung ilaw natin. Wala ko makita.
He's big!
No! Don't!
It's just
Malaki na!
He's
Holy
tall.
shit!
Okay.
Die?
Did someone die?
No, he was so big, bro! I sent...
No.
Tignan yung sinag-
My son died.
Someone's calling.
Check our sanity, please.
Sanity.
6% ka na lang, Mark Luis. Tapos 16% pa si Chino. 42% pa si Jazz.
Nung nasa loob kayo ng bahay, wala kayo naririnig umiiyak.
Wala.
And set nyo muna sa box nyo, Wendigo.
This
And
is a banshee, bro. I wouldn't understand.
if we lose, we're going luxury home again.
Ang ina. Ang laki niya, no?
Banshee.
What?
I should have known, bro. I was down.
Oh my god, my speculations were. Oh my god.
Bro, your calculation was wrong.
How did we fumble at our first attempt?
We were so close too.
This is why you should
Luis
never
gave
go-
us, ano,
Give us.
he said Banshee or, ano,
Let's go,
I
Randy.
gave you guys a choice.
Banshee or Wendigo.
Should have done it in the nicest way possible. We just went there and still try to find more, bro.
Kasi pag hard mode, plus 10% sanity loss.
Yeah,
alright. Ang ina naman, wala na naman akong gamit. Flashlight na naman.
Hanapin nyo muna yung room. I can't be useful if there's no room.
Sino yung mahawak ni MF?
Ako.
Alright.
Whoa, big boy. What am I hearing, big boy?
Why is it closing doors right in front of me?
I can't.
Nasa upstairs ba siya?
Alright,
I'm
this is
sorry.
very bad. We have nothing.
There's nothing.
Please, just find 1 degree room.
There's no one pure room, bro.
There's
Proves how
no.
bad it is. Wait, what?
There's nothing.
Yeah,
What?
literally.
Sure kayo, na-check nyo lahat.
there's,
It's where I
Justin,
died. Yeah, it's
labas
literally
na.
He's a
Labas
strong
na,
case,
Justin.
bro. He's a strong case. Oh, fingerprints! MJ,
What?
where are you? Look, get out of the
Where?
house. Guys, get out of the house.
upstairs,
Let me and
upstairs,
MJ.
upstairs.
Let
upstairs.
MJ and I go. Leave the house.
Alright.
Okay,
Hold on. We are
Alright.
fingerprints.
where is it? I need to talk to it immediately.
Here,
Is it talk?
upstairs.
Right?
Where?
This is the only room I haven't checked.
Switch.
Oh,
Left.
bro.
Switch.
Yeah, the switch.
Jack.
Oh,
I'm afraid he's about to kill me, bro. Do it quick.
Carrot, grass.
Kill me, bro.
What the hell is it?
Is he communicating?
Oh,
Luis, get out faster.
Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out.
alright.
So we have writings,
We have writings,
markers,
fingerprints, and writings,
Spirit.
fingerprints, and
it took a lot of effort just to get one.
bro, it's the most basic. My sanity is 0. Dude, is the most OP basic type of ghost.
Bro, sobrang OP. Pinatay niya kaming tatlo.
This woman is a bitch. That's why I will wait when I see her.
What's her name? Mary Smith. Oh my
Bakit ang baduy naman?
oh
That
my
was the
gosh.
most.
Y'all
That
so
was the most.
lucky. Y'all so lucky I saw that fingerprint. Y'all so
Bro, this was the most OP basic ghost ever.
Tas di pala spirit, no, boy.
Let's see if we won.
Please.
Oh, I'm hanging myself. I'm hanging myself.
kill yourself activity of
Okay, 2-0.
Oh
Go.
my God.
2 win 1.
bro,
Ay,
that
two
guy,
lost,
that,
one.
that ghost,
Zero wins.
I mean, that poker
No.
is so OP. He's so OP, bro.
Sad Boys 0, Ghost 2. Putang ina.
Okay, guys. So far we've lost 2 times on luxury home. Round 3.
So it means, guys, we lost to Ghost 2 times already.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
Boys, zero.
Those the cold. So I saw a fingerprint, of course.
I'm gonna actually.
That guy is OP.
Putang ina mo. Ano ba? Gusto ko na EMF. Putang ina nyo.
Okay.
Justin, taga-flashlight ka lang, lo.
Loko, taga-EMF ba kapag kami nila Ralph eh.
I disconnected.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, we're both.
Alright, alright.
I'll be right back from the death.
He's here.
Hey, say it the
No, no. He's he's
That's your item.
wala wala.
I have my item.
Nasa niya yung Alright, we're checking everything now.
Super cautious na tayo. Yung cursed room.
The most
Back me out. Okay, where is Luis? The crucifix.
Hi. Oy, tayo muna tayong lahat. Tayo muna tayo.
tagal niya tagal niya mawala. Putang ina niya.
I'm gonna go crazy, bro.
Bro, ako palagi puro target niya pag nasa labas ako eh.
He didn't speak to me. He didn't write. He didn't ghost orb.
He did right. He right.
I mean, yeah,
He wrote,
sure. He wrote, but he
May
didn't.
Ha?
EMF 5, yun ang evidence.
Ako talaga yung
Writings too.
papakit dun sa
Kung may fingerprints, Revenant yan.
kahit walang fingerprints, Revenant.
Couldn't be
Kung-
a
Revenant kasi he does not talk.
No, they don't talk.
Hindi. Pag nagsalita siya sa akin, Oni siya. Pag may orb, shade siya.
Revenant, AMF 5, books, fingerprints, but no talking.
But there's
But there's three.
It's three.
though.
Sure what?
It's not a
It's
shade.
not a shade.
Why?
Why?
He's not shy.
He's not shy.
He's coming.
He's coming out whenever he wants.
Writing!
Huh?
Writing! Kinabahan ako. Revenant!
You already saw.
You already saw.
It's a Revenant. Ang bilis na din kanina. It's a Revenant. Baka matay na tayo. Let's hit the Revenant. He's an absolute...
Don't go together. Just Justin.
Nasaan siya?
Okay, he's coming.
Okay, he's coming.
Justin. He's so fast.
He's so fast.
MJ, we're not.
We're not far.
Alright, I died. Luis, it's up to you now.
Yeah.
It's a revenant, bro. It's a revenant.
So,
Revenant ka. Umalis ka na. Lumabas ka na.
although,
We're finished. Come on.
walang
Oh my
nangyari.
MJ, why did you become useless for a second? Why did you?
Ikaw, Justin.
Revenant.
Ako yung shade, no?
Oh my god, we took so long.
Oh my
I
gosh,
think
man.
it's a shade though. But I'm just.
Maiinis talaga ako pag hindi siya sa lahat ng option na yun. Putang ina.
Tapos
Putang ina.
poltergeist,
Tapos
no?
pala, Jin. Tapos Jin.
Moment of truth.
It was a
Shade.
shade.
Do we even count?
Ay,
as a
tama
one?
tayo kanina sa simula.
Okay, tama tayo. Okay? Tama tayo.
Ayan.
We took different guesses for win though.
Wala, dub yun.
Tama tayo. Tama tayo pero hindi
Dub.
dun sa mismong
Dub,
evidence.
dub.
That's a W.
We still took an L though. We still took an L.
Yeah, we still took an L but we took a W2.
That was-
It's a top.
It wasn't worth it.
That's the last game. I'm cooking outside right now.
Do
Okay.
we
That
do
was
one
the
more? Do we do one more?
No.
Nah.
No. Okay, guys. Talo kami 3 beses sa luxury home on hard mode.
Well,
Ano
no,
thought
we
you-
took kinda win because some of us got shade and it's the one who's
The third round was a tie. It's
It was a
between
tie.
L and W.
So this round, two goes, one
One
Kalokohan Archives.
No, it's a half.
We
Okay.
took
Do
an
any
L.
hashtag.
Wait,
Okay.
what we can say
Kala-
about this L, guys? What we can say about this L? I'm gonna bring my mic to
Both.
this. I'll bring my face here too. It is not over. We'll come back, Mr.
We
Luxury
always
Home.
come back.
We will not flop again. We will not get 3-1 or 2-1. I don't care. We're getting that 3-0, bro. There's no way we're about to flop
We will
in
not
2.
stop until we get one win.
Yes. We will not stop, bro. We're posting the next one next week, though. So
Yeah.
next week probably. But
Next
this
week,
video,
Gonna be
guys,
fun.
it's not over. It's not over.
it's
We're
not
still gonna have this
over
one.
until
There will be a
we
redemption arc.
win.
There will be a redemption arc.
Fucking shit, it will never be over.
Just say
Okay.
the last N word for
No, 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 no. Next week, we find out.
find out.
If we win or not.
Luxury
You know
Home,
Don't
the
worry,
we
truth.
will
don't worry,
You
conquer.
know
we
it's
will,
serious.
we,
You know it's serious